Be ready? Start. Now I come to the health sector. Looking well about the health of the people is the guiding principle of my government. Only Swasth Bharat can be a Samriddha Bharat. India cannot realize its demographic dividend without its citizens being healthy. I am pleased to announce two major initiatives as part of Ayushman Bharat program aimed at making path-breaking interventions to address health holistically in primary, secondary and tertiary care system covering both prevention and health promotion. The National Health Policy 2017 has envisioned health and wellness centers as the foundation of India's health system. These 1.5 lakh centers will bring healthcare system closer to the homes of people. These centers will provide comprehensive health care including for non-communicable diseases and maternal and child health services. These centers will also provide free essential drugs and diagnostic services. I am committing rupees 1200 crore in this budget for this flagship program. I also invite contribution of private sector through CSR and philanthropic institutions in adopting these centers. Madam Speaker, we are all aware that lakhs of families in our country have to borrow or sell assets to receive indoor treatment in hospitals. Government is seriously concerned about such impoverishment of poor and vulnerable families. Present Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana provide annual coverage of only rupees 30,000 to poor families. Several state governments have also implemented or supplemented health protection schemes providing varying coverage. My government has now decided to take health protection to more aspirational level. We will launch a flagship national health protection scheme to cover over 10 crore poor and vulnerable families, providing coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization. This will be the world's largest government funded health care program. Adequate funds will be provided for smooth implementation of this program. Madam Speaker, these two far-reaching initiatives under the Ayushman Bharat will build a new India 2012-22 and ensure enhanced productivity, well-being and avert wage loss and impoverishment. These schemes will also generate lakhs of jobs, particularly for women. The government is steadily but surely progressing towards the goal of universal health coverage. TB claims more lives every year than any other infectious disease. It affects mainly poor and malnourished people. My government has therefore decided to allocate additional rupees 600 crore to provide nutritional support to all TB patients. In order to further enhance accessibility of quality medical education and health care, we will be setting up 24 new government medical colleges and hospitals by upgrading existing district hospitals in the country. This would ensure that there is at least one medical college for every 3 parliamentary constituencies and at least one government medical college in each state of the country. Our resolve of making our villages open defecation free is aimed at improving the life of our villagers. We will launch a scheme called Galvanizing Organic Bio-Agro Resources Dhan for management and conversion of cattle dung and solid waste in farms to compost, fertilizer, biogas and bio-CNG. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana has benefited 5.20 crore families with a life insurance cover of rupees 2 lakh on payment of a premium of only rupees 300 per annum. Likewise, under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, 13 crore 25 lakh persons have been insured with personal accident cover of rupees 2 lakh on payment of a premium of only rupees 12 per annum. Stop.